Hillel here with the Adaptive Health Capital Smart Look Minute, where we look at different health trends and try to get a better understanding of them. Today I want to focus on something completely different. With the opioid crisis at hand, the behavioral health space has been very volatile. For healthcare investors, it's an opportunity to jump in, while some owners and operators, it's an opportunity to get out and take some profits. Today I want to focus on what it means to prepare for a sale in the drug and alcohol facility space. Understanding this process will give us a better understanding of the landscape in this market, as well as some actual transactions. This process can be broken down in several steps, so let's go ahead and take a look. Taking stock of your company and know your story are vital keys for a successful transaction. To have a successful sale, you need to know what you're selling first. It's not just about the assets and liabilities, it goes deeper than that. Do you have detailed financials for the last 2 years? What do your accreditations look like? Do you have accreditations? Are you CARF accredited? Are you JACO accredited? Take stock of your company. It's a vital key to a successful transaction. But you also need to know your story. Why you? Why over somebody else? What's your competitive advantage? Remember, this is your resume. And it's got to be perfect. What is your personal involvement? And these are keys to a successful transaction that you need to answer. And when you answer them, you'll bring a successful buyer. Do your homework and understand the details. Once you have broad strokes of your business in place, you'll need to dive into the details and get an understanding. One is census. It may be okay to have a low census, but understand why. What is your average daily rate? What is your completion of treatment? What are your discharges, whether voluntary or involuntary? These are key factors that you'll need to know and investors will ask for. Also, know some specifics, like do you have any real estate holdings? Are a part of those real estate holdings, are they sale leasebacks? Understand the professionals on staff. Who's your CEO and who's your CFO, and what can they bring to the table in case an investor is looking for an operator to stay on? Understand the relationship with your insurance companies. It's details like this that you'll need to have at your fingertips in order to be successful, because investors will ask. Starting the sale process. Once you've created materials and have identified potential buyers, the real fun begins. The question is, who are your potential buyers? Are they private equity backed? Are they competitors? Do they have a healthcare background? Understanding who your buyers will help you negotiate terms such as financing, proof of funds, deal structures, earnouts. Once these points are hashed out, you can move in to start forming contracts. The first one being the letter of intent. You'll also have to put a quality of earnings together, a term sheet, contracts, and assigning people along the way to help you, whether it's legal representation or whether it's someone to work on your quality of earnings. Timing of licensure is also an important factor. Understanding these points will help you move along the process quickly to ensure a proper close. Selling a medical facility is a long process. Hopefully this video has shed some light on how to make it a little bit more palatable. Given the constant changing nature of the industry, it's most important than ever to understand the components of a sale and what you can do to help make the sale of your company go smoothly. I'm Hillel with the Adaptive Health Capital Smart Look Minute. Thank you very much for listening. For more information, please click on my LinkedIn account below and feel free to contact me with any questions. Take care.